this box was a surprise. When we saw this box sitting after we came home, it was like, woohoo! Still solid?
Still solid.
Mm-hmm. Thunk. One was solid.
The other one has a. The other one's a little bit more solid than the other.
Mm-hmm. Let's see what we got here. Sorry, Mojo. Cool. Cool. Thank you very much, Mom.
They look fabulous.
Looks like a good way to enjoy an anniversary. Love you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.